In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We're walking through how to change the name that shows up in Google Meet by updating your Google account name. This is quick and straightforward, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, open your browser and go to the Google Meet homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account you want to update. If you use multiple accounts, double-check the profile picture in the top right so you're working in the right one. Next, click your profile picture or initial in the upper right corner of the page. A small menu will pop up with options related to your account. From there, choose Manage your Google account. This will open your main account settings in a new tab. Inside your Google account, look for the Personal Info section. This is where Google stores your basic details, like your name and birthday. Click on Name to open the page that controls what your name looks like across Google services. On the Name page, click Name again to start editing. You'll see fields for first name and last name. Type in the name you want to appear in Google Meet. Keep it clear and professional if you use Meet for work or school, and avoid special characters or emojis that might not display correctly. If your organization manages your account, you may find that name changes are restricted. In that case, you'll need to contact your administrator. Once you've entered your desired name, click Save. If the Save button is inactive, check that both fields are filled correctly and that your internet connection is stable. After saving, Google will confirm the update. A quick note on what to expect. This change updates your display name across Google services that use your account profile, including Google Meet. It does not change your email address. The update typically appears right away, but it can take a few minutes to propagate everywhere. If you're already on a Meet page, refresh your browser or rejoin a meeting to see the new name reflected. That's it. You went to Google Meet, opened your profile menu, selected Manage your Google account, navigated to Personal Info, opened the name settings, entered your new name, and saved. If anything doesn't look right, return to the same name page and adjust it again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you present yourself exactly how you want in Google Meet.